Today we're giving Louis Dog a bath. We just need to get him nice and wet with some warm water before we put the shampoo on. Be ready to get wet yourself because he shakes a lot when he gets wet. Now we put some shampoo on. He seems to like this a lot. Mustn't forget to wash his beard as well. Now to rinse him off. He doesn't like the sound of the shower, but once he gets the water on him, he's quite happy. You can see he really wants to shake right now, and he's very, very wet, so a lot of water is going to come off when he does. Now time to dry him off with a towel. Once we've got most of the water off, it's time to brush him and get all of those tangled bits out. He's waiting patiently for this to be finished, but you can see he's ready to run. And as soon as everything's finished, he normally goes a bit crazy, like you can see.
This way. No, this way.
Alright guys, Louis just had a bath. He's now all dry and fluffy. Just look at that. Yeah, it's so nice. And yeah, he's trying to sunbathe right now. So we're going to probably leave him alone because if he doesn't like being bothered normally. So see you in the next one.